In the previous video, we covered how to capture a treatment authorization. In this video, we will show you how to view and edit an existing authorization. To view or edit an authorization, navigate to the Medicare module and select Work Manager. A window will display a list of captured authorizations and their current statuses. You can search for a recently captured authorization by using either the pre-authorization number or the claim number. In this example, we will search using the claim number. Once the authorization loads, click the View hyperlink to open it. Here, you can see all the details that were captured, as well as the current status of the authorization. To make changes to the authorization, return to Work Manager and click the Edit hyperlink. This opens the Edit Pre-Authorization wizard. Click Continue to proceed. Review the claim details and make any necessary updates. Fields that are grayed out cannot be edited, as this information is pre-populated. Ensure that the Is Patient Verified checkbox is selected. Scroll down to the HCP Treatment Authorization section. Review the details and make changes if required. Next, click Step 2, Authorization Details, and update the information as needed. In this example, the authorization document type is Wound Care, which requires supporting documents to be uploaded. Important: all the required documents needs to be uploaded. To upload a document, click the document name, select Choose File, double-click the file from your computer, and then click the Upload arrow to complete the upload. Because this is a wound care authorization, ensure that the appropriate treatment option is selected by ticking the checkbox. Click Step 3, ICD-10 codes, and add or update codes if required. Then click Next. Review and update the item codes if necessary. Make any required updates under Capture Pre-Authorization item codes for treatment and click Save. Scroll up to confirm that the authorization line has been added, then click Next and Next again. Validation will now run. Once validation has passed successfully, click Finish. The system displays the submission result as Edit Auth Treatment Completed, indicating that the existing authorization has been successfully updated. You will be returned to the home page. Follow the same view steps to confirm that your changes have been saved. This concludes how to view and edit a treatment authorization.